Welcome back, coin enthusiasts. Today, we're focusing on the 2006 Canada 25-cent coin, a modern yet significant piece of Canadian numismatics. While quarters may often be overlooked in favor of older or rarer coins, the 2006 quarter offers unique details and, in some cases, hidden value that collectors will find intriguing. Let's dive into its design, specifications, and market value. Starting with the obverse, you'll notice the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Canadian artist Susanna Blunt. Introduced in 2003, this portrayal of the Queen is unique because it presents her without a crown, reflecting a more approachable and contemporary image. Surrounding the portrait are the inscriptions Elizabeth II, D.G. Regina, by the grace of God, Queen, and the year 2006. This design symbolizes Canada's blend of tradition and modernization, making it a standout feature for collectors. On the reverse, we find the timeless caribou design, created by artist Emmanuel Hahn in 1937. The caribou, one of Canada's most iconic animals, is depicted in stunning detail, with its majestic antlers extending toward the edge of the coin. Above the caribou, you'll see the word Canada, and below, the denomination 25 cents. This classic design has been a staple of Canada's quarters for decades, embodying the natural beauty and rugged wilderness that Canada is known for. The 2006 Canada 25-cent coin was struck in nickel-plated steel, with a composition of 94% steel, 3.8% copper, and 2.2% nickel plating. It has a diameter of 23.88 millimeters, a thickness of 1.58 millimeters, and a weight of 4.4 grams. The coin features a reeded edge, adding a tactile element that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing. In terms of mintage, the Royal Canadian Mint produced a staggering 678,835,025 cent coins in 2006, making it a widely circulated coin. However, what sets this coin apart for collectors are its potential variants and errors. For example, coins struck with die cracks, double dies, or off-center strikes can be quite valuable. Additionally, there are examples of proof-like or uncirculated coins, often found in mint sets, which retain their luster and sharp details, making them more desirable to collectors. When it comes to value, circulated 2006 quarters are generally worth their face value of 25 cents Canadian dollars, as they are still commonly found in everyday transactions. However, coins in mint state, MS condition, particularly those graded MS 65 or higher, can sell for $1 to $5 US depending on their quality and market demand. Error coins or rare variants, on the other hand, can fetch significantly higher prices, ranging from $20 to $100 US or more at auctions or among dedicated collectors. For those interested in collecting modern Canadian coins, the 2006 Canada 25-cent coin is an excellent choice. Its design reflects Canada's natural and cultural heritage, and its durability ensures that many examples remain in good condition today. Whether you're searching for high-grade specimens, rare errors, or simply a piece of Canadian history to add to your collection, this coin offers something for everyone. Next up, the 2008 Canada 25-cent coin, a stunning piece of modern Canadian coinage that reflects the country's cultural and natural heritage. Whether you're a numismatist or someone intrigued by Canadian currency, the 2008 quarter holds a timeless appeal for everyone. Starting with the obverse, the coin features the familiar portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by Susanna Blunt. This depiction of the Queen, introduced in 2003, stands out because it portrays her without a crown, symbolizing a more approachable and contemporary monarchy. Surrounding the effigy are the inscriptions Elizabeth II, D.G. Regina, by the grace of God, Queen, and the mint year 2008. This design is not only elegant, but also a testament to Canada's respect for tradition and modern representation. Moving to the reverse, we see the iconic caribou design by Emmanuel Hahn, a hallmark of Canada's 25-cent coin since 1937. The caribou, with its intricately detailed antlers, represents Canada's wildlife and rugged wilderness. Above the caribou is the word Canada, while below it, the denomination 25 cents is clearly inscribed. The simplicity and elegance of this design have made it a favorite among collectors for decades. The technical details of the 2008 quarter are equally fascinating. This coin was minted using nickel-plated steel, which consists of 94% steel, 3.8% copper, and 2.2% nickel plating. It has a diameter of 23.88 millimeters, a thickness of 1.58 millimeters, and a weight of 4.4 grams. Its reeded edge not only adds a touch of sophistication, but also ensures tactile recognition. In terms of mintage, the Royal Canadian Mint produced millions of these coins for general circulation. While the exact number varies, the 2008 quarter is widely available in circulation today. However, collectors often hunt for coins in mint state condition, MS65 or higher, or those with rare errors or varieties. Common circulation coins are usually worth their face value of 25 cents Canadian dollars, but uncirculated coins or those with exceptional luster can be valued between 2 and 10 US dollars. Coins with errors, such as die cracks, doubling, or off-center strikes, are particularly sought after and can fetch significantly higher prices, sometimes exceeding 50 to 100 US dollars, depending on the rarity of the error. The 2008 Canada 25-cent coin is a beautiful example of Canadian artistry and functionality in coin design. Whether you're appreciating the caribou's elegant silhouette, marveling at the fine details of the Queen's portrait, or hunting for rare varieties, this coin embodies the pride and history of Canada. Next up, the 2001 Canada 25-cent coin, a piece that showcases not just the rich tradition of Canadian coinage, but also the innovative spirit of the nation. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just curious about this particular quarter, the 2001 edition holds a unique place in Canadian numismatics. Let's begin with the obverse, which features the regal portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by the renowned Canadian artist Dora de Pedery Hunt. This effigy, first introduced in 1990, marked a significant shift in Canadian coinage, as it was the first time a Canadian artist's design was used for the Queen's portrait. Surrounding her image are the inscriptions Elizabeth II, D.G. Regina, by the grace of God, Queen, and the year 2001. The simplicity of the design exudes a timeless elegance and underscores the strong ties between Canada and the monarchy. The reverse of the coin is equally captivating. Like other standard quarters, it features the iconic caribou design created by Emmanuel Hahn. The caribou, an enduring symbol of Canada's wilderness, reflects the nation's deep connection to its natural heritage. Above the caribou, you'll find the inscription Canada, while below, the denomination 25 cents is prominently displayed. This design has been a staple of Canadian 25-cent coins since 1937, making it a beloved symbol of the country's coinage tradition. The technical specifications of the 2001 quarter are also noteworthy. This coin was minted with a composition of nickel-plated steel, featuring a steel core with layers of copper and nickel. It has a diameter of 23.88 millimeters, a thickness of 1.58 millimeters, and a weight of 4.4 grams. Its reeded edge not only enhances its tactile feel, but also serves as an anti-counterfeiting measure. Now, let's talk about the mintage and value of this coin. In 2001, the Royal Canadian Mint produced millions of quarters for circulation, making the standard version relatively common. Circulated coins are typically worth their face value of 25 cents Canadian dollars. However, collectors often seek out coins in mint state condition, MS65 or higher, which can range in value from 2 to 10 US dollars, depending on their condition and luster. Additionally, Quarters from this year that feature errors or varieties, such as die cracks, doubling, or off-center strikes, are highly prized by collectors. Such coins can command significantly higher prices, with some rare errors fetching upwards of $50 to $100 at auction. The 2001 Canada 25-cent coin is a wonderful blend of tradition and modernity. Its timeless design, combined with its durability and historical significance, makes it a cherished piece among collectors and everyday Canadians alike. Whether you're admiring its intricate details, searching for rare varieties, or simply adding it to your collection, this coin is a reminder of Canada's rich cultural and natural heritage. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of Canadian coinage. If you enjoyed this exploration of the 2001 quarter, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more numismatic stories and insights. Until next time, happy collecting, and may your coin discoveries always be valuable.